In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder in Google Drive. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your drive organized, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it step by step, share what to expect, and offer a few helpful tips so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, log into Google Drive. Open your browser and sign in with the Google account that owns or has access to the folder you want to rename. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the profile icon in the top right corner to make sure you're in the correct one. Also note that you'll need at least editor access to change a folder's name. If you only have view access, the rename option won't appear. Next, go to your drive. You'll land in My Drive by default, which is where your folders and files live. If you prefer a different view, you can toggle between grid and list to make scanning easier. You can also use the search bar and type the folder's name. If you have a lot of content, searching for the folder can be faster than scrolling. Now look for the folder you want to rename. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking its contents or location if needed. This is especially helpful when you have similarly named folders or duplicates. When you've found it, right-click on the folder. On a touchpad or a Mac, you can use a two-finger click or control click to bring up the same context menu. If you're on a touchscreen, tap the three-dot More Actions icon next to the folder name to access identical options. From the menu that appears, click Rename. If you don't see Rename, it usually means you don't have the required permission. In that case, you can ask the owner or someone with editor rights to rename it for you. Type in the new name for the folder. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can instantly recognize what's inside, like adding a date or project tag. Keep the name concise and consistent with any naming conventions your team uses. When you're ready, press Enter or click OK to apply the change. And you're done. The folder will immediately update to the new name. Nothing inside the folder moves or changes, and any links to the folder still work because they're based on its unique ID, not the name. Collaborators will see the new name right away, and your starred items and shortcuts will reflect it too. If you make a mistake, you can quickly rename it again using the same steps. That's all you need to rename a folder in Google Drive. Simple, clean, and effective.